How to fix Redmi Note 9 Pro call sound problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you cannot hear the sound while you are in a call, then how you can solve this issue? In this video I'm going to show you up the solution. But guys, first you have to make sure that from where the problem is occurring, it is on your device or it is coming from the other device, who is calling. So if that person doesn't have the mic enabled, or if their mic is not working, then guys you cannot hear the voice even if they used to talk. So it's better to confirm that whether your sound is working or not. So if you have other phone in your home, which phone mic is working, then guys first go to that phone, call on your device and check it out. If you are still facing the same problem, then guys you have to go for the solution. And after checking out, if your call sound is working, then guys that person might have facing the problem. So that's simple. But guys, if you or if you have tried already, if you have checked, if you have tried calling your device from other phone, and if you are still facing the same problem, if the call sound is not working, then guys just watch it out. I'm going to show you the solution right now. But guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin it. So here what you have to do is, guys, to fix the call sound problem, first restart your device. Restart your device and check it out. If your problem get fixed after restarting, then it's great. But guys, after you restart your device, make sure to close all the applications from your recents. So make sure to close all the recent apps, and then guys check it out. If your call sound problem is solved, then it's great. And if you are still facing the same problem, then guys go to your setting, go to your sound and vibration, and check the call sound. You have to check the call sound. So you have to increase the call volume. While you are in a call, make sure to turn on the volume, and this will solve the issue. So just go for that process. So now if you think your problem is solved, or if you think that uh, your problem has been improved, then guys it's great. But if you are still facing the same call sound problem, then guys scroll it down, go to apps, go to manage app, and then find out your phone service. So here you have to go to phone service. First of the app, click OK, go to clear data, and then click on clear all data. After that, click OK. So now you just have to go back, restart your phone, check it out. Call sound problem will be solved by now. So guys, if your call sound problem is solved, then it's great. And if you are still facing the same problem, then guys try out this solution. Go to additional setting. Here you will get clear speaker option, so click there and enable that button. So after you enable it, you have to wait for 30 seconds, because there will be a noise on your phone. But guys, don't plug the earphone. You just have to increase your phone volume. You just have to increase your phone volume, and then guys you won't have to put the earphone on your device, otherwise it's not going to work. So this is clear speaker setting. If you have any dust on your speaker, or if you have any kind of problem on your speaker, then guys this will helps you to fix the problem. So just enable it, and after 30 seconds it will turn off automatically. So this is how you have to do it. So after doing that, again try to call someone and talk to it. Your problem will be solved. If your problem is solved, then it's great. And if you are still facing the same problem, then update your phone software. Go to about phone and update your phone software. This will helps you to fix the problem. So many of the time, whenever we update our phone software, this will fix all the problem which we face in our devices. So just go for the software update. So guys, that's it. So now your problem will be solved after doing all the solutions. But guys, by any chance, if you face the problem again after doing all the solutions, settings, just go to technician. I just want to suggest you that. You have to go to technician and check your phone. You might be having some hardware problems. So they will fix the problem, and guys you can you will see that your problem is solved by them. Okay, so I hope this video will be definitely helpful. Thanks for watching.